When something is this exceptional, built with such precision, such intent, it's difficult to articulate. The features, the angles, the innovation, perfection that words alone can't carry. And yet what truly sets this helm apart isn't any single feature. It's the sum of all the small things. The details obsessed over, the choices made deliberately, the pride poured into every inch. Pride you'll feel yourself the moment you sit down. At the center of it all, a 15-inch panoramic display. Bold, crisp, commanding. Paired with a 12-inch touchscreen off to the right, angled perfectly for the driver. Two screens working together so every stat, every setting, every view is right where you want it. Clean, intuitive, instant. It's beautiful hardware, yes, but even smarter software, with a user experience that provides total clarity. Nav, audio, surf settings, rider stats, 4 cameras, all layered in a way that's simple to read and effortless to command. Control it all from the touchscreen or at your side with MasterCraft MyDrive. One hand, one motion. A dial and hotkeys tuned for precision and zero hesitation. Speed, ballast, surf sides, all controlled on the fly without losing sight of what's ahead. Every move feels direct and dialed. Even transfers are timed in with a large countdown on the screen so your rider never misses the beat. Every touch point has the same intention. Because precision is only half the story, comfort is the other. You're getting a captain's chair fit only for the X family. Premium, luxurious, and with the option to be power adjustable. A wireless phone charger tucked under the dash, a valuables drawer for the important stuff, keyless ignition for smoother starts. Cup holders and cubbies are placed exactly where you want them, refined enough to disappear until you need them. Even the observer can have a screen of their own, angled with the same care, with the same command. And then there's the design. All new, yet unmistakably MasterCraft. Sculpted finishes, automotive-inspired detailing, ergonomics that lock you in like they were built only for you. Every inch, every angle, every finish, all considered, all overbuilt in the best way. Engineered so flawlessly, so exceptionally, that even the most meticulous details speak louder than words. The X Helm, built with intent, driven by pride. Only from MasterCraft.